Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to download music from YouTube as MP3 files. Let's get started. First, find the song you want on YouTube and copy the link. Next, go to cnvmp3.com. Paste the link, choose your preferred bitrate, and make sure the format is set to MP3. Then click Convert. The file will be downloaded automatically to your device. But what if you want to download a full YouTube playlist? Let's try that. Copy the playlist link. Paste it into cnvmp3. And click Convert. As you can see, it only downloads the first track, not the entire playlist. So what can you do instead? That's where ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder comes in. It's an all-in-one music converter that supports multiple streaming platforms, including YouTube Music. To download a full playlist, first set the output format to MP3 and choose an output folder. Then click the YouTube Music icon on the main screen. Find the playlist you want and click the Add Music button. You can select all tracks or just the ones you like. Click Add to List, then hit Convert. Once the download is complete, you can play the songs in the program or open the output folder to find the MP3 files. Each track keeps full ID3 tags, like title, artist, album, cover art, and more. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.